everyone, and welcome back to Fluent Growth channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna, and hello to all our fantastic listeners around the world. I am so happy to be here with you today.
It is wonderful to see you, George. You look very energetic today.
I am. I had a very good sleep and a big breakfast. I am ready for anything. How are you, Anna?
I am doing very well, thank you. I am a little bit excited about our topic today.
Oh, is it a fun topic like food or travel?
Well, it is not exactly fun, but it is very, very important. It is real-life English.
Real-life English. I like the sound of that. It sounds useful.
It is. Today, we are going to talk about situations with the police.
The police. Wow, that is a serious topic.
It is serious, but we want to make it easy. Everyone needs to know how to ask for help.
You are absolutely right. If you travel or live in a new country, you must know these words.
Exactly. But before we start this important lesson, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, please take a second to subscribe to our channel. It helps us so much.
And give this episode a big like. It helps other students find our lessons.
And share it with your friends. Okay, Anna, let's talk about the police.
Let's do it. So, George, have you ever called the police?
That is a good question. Let me think. Yes, I have.
Really? Was it scary?
A little bit. It was a few years ago. I was at home.
Okay. You were at home. What happened?
It was night, very late, maybe 2 a.m.
Oh, wow. 2 a.m. is late.
Yes, I was sleeping, but then I heard a very loud noise.
A loud noise? Like an explosion?
No. It was music. Very, very loud music.
Ah, a party.
Yes, my neighbors were having a big party on a Tuesday night.
On a Tuesday? That is not good. People need to work on Wednesday.
Exactly. I need to work. So I waited, but the music did not stop.
So you called the police?
Yes, I called the non-emergency number, not the emergency number.
That is a very good tip, George. Can you explain that?
Sure. Usually, there is one number for big emergencies, like 911 in America, or 112 in Europe.
Yes, you call that if there is a fire or if someone is hurt. Danger.
But a loud party is not danger, it is just annoying.
Yes, very annoying. So I called the local police station number.
What did you say?
I was nervous. My English was okay, but I was tired. I said, "Hello, I want to report a noise complaint."
Noise complaint. That is a great phrase. Can you say it again?
Noise complaint. It means someone is being too loud.
And what did the police officer say?
The officer was very nice. He asked for my address.
Ah, yes. The address is the most important thing.
It is. I said my address is 24 Maple Street, and he asked for my name.
Did he come to the house?
Yes, a police car came. They talked to my neighbors, and the music stopped.
Yay, peace and quiet.
Yes, it was a simple conversation, but I needed to be clear.
That is a great story, Anna. I have a story too, but mine is different.
Oh, tell me.
Mine happened when I was on vacation. I was in a big city.
Okay, a big city. Were you alone?
No, I was with a friend. We were walking in a park. It was beautiful.
That sounds nice.
It was nice, but then we sat on a bench to eat an ice cream.
I love ice cream.
Me too, but I put my bag on the ground next to my feet.
Oh, George, I think I know what happened.
Yes, we were talking and eating, and when I looked down, my bag was gone.
Oh no, stolen?
Yes, stolen. Someone took it when I was not looking.
That is terrible. Were you scared?
I was very shocked. My wallet was in there and my passport.
Your passport? That is a big problem.
A very big problem. So we looked for a police officer.
Did you find one?
Yes, we saw a police officer near the street. I ran to him.
What did you say?
I said, "Excuse me, officer, please help me. My bag was stolen."
My bag was stolen. That is the key phrase.
Yes, he was very serious but helpful. He took out a notebook.
A notebook. Police officers always have a notebook. What did he ask?
He asked, "What does the bag look like?"
Ah, a description. That is important vocabulary.
Yes, I had to describe it. I said, "It's a small brown leather bag."
Small brown leather. Good details.
And he asked what was inside.
That is a hard question. Sometimes we forget what's in our bags.
True, but I remembered. I said my wallet, my keys, my passport, and a photo of my dog.
Oh, a photo of your dog? That is cute.
The officer smiled too. He wrote everything down. He gave me a paper, a report number.
That report number is very important, especially for the passport.
Yes, with that number, I could go to the embassy. It helped me a lot.
See? The police are there to help. We don't need to be afraid to talk to them.
Exactly. But Anna, sometimes people are nervous about the words.
Yes, they think my grammar is bad or I will make a mistake.
But in an emergency, grammar is not important.
No, communication is important. Just say the main words.
Right? If you see a car accident, for example, you can just say, "Car accident. 2 cars. People hurt."
Yes, simple is best. Please send help. The location is Main Street. George, let's play a game. Let's practice.
A game. Okay, I like games.
I will be the police dispatcher. You are calling me, okay?
Okay, I am ready. What is the situation?
You lost your child in the supermarket.
Oh, that is scary. Okay.
Police emergency. What is your emergency?
Hello, help. I cannot find my son.
Okay, sir. Please stay calm. Where are you?
I'm at the supermarket on 5th Avenue.
Okay, we are sending an officer. How old is your son?
He is 6 years old, and what is he wearing?
He is wearing a red t-shirt and blue jeans, and he has a toy dinosaur.
A toy dinosaur. Okay, sir, stay at the door. Help is coming. Even in a game, that feels stressful.
It does, but you did a great job. Red t-shirt, blue jeans. That description helps the police find him fast.
Descriptions are so useful. Colors, sizes, clothes.
Yes, we practice colors in English class, and sometimes students think it is boring. Red, blue, green.
But in real life, the car is red or the man has a green jacket can solve a crime.
Exactly. It is very practical.
Anna, what about if the police stop you?
You mean if you are driving your car?
Yes, imagine I'm driving and I see the blue lights behind me. Oh no, the blue lights.
I pull over. The officer comes to my window. What do I do first?
Keep your hands on the wheel. Be calm.
Okay, hands on the wheel. Do I get out of the car?
No, never get out of the car unless they ask you. Stay inside.
Okay, good tip. What will they say?
Usually they ask for 2 things. License and registration, please.
License and registration. My driving license and the paper for the car.
Yes, you can say, "Here they are."
Simple. Here they are.
And maybe they will ask, "Do you know why I stopped you?"
Oh, that is a tricky question.
It is. Maybe you were driving too fast. Speeding, that's the word.
Yes, if you were speeding, just be honest. Say, "I'm sorry, officer. I did not see the speed limit."
Being polite is very important with the police.
Very, very important. Always say sir or ma'am or officer.
It shows respect and it makes the situation calmer.
Yes, if you are angry or you shout, it becomes a big problem.
I agree, so stay calm, be polite, and use simple words. That's the best advice.
George, have you ever lost your wallet?
Anna, I lose my wallet all the time, but usually it's just in my house, under the sofa.
Under the sofa. That is not a police emergency.
No, I do not call the police for that. Hello, police, my wallet is under the sofa.
They would be very angry.
But once I found a wallet on the street.
You found one? What did you do?
It had money inside and an ID card. I took it to the police station.
That is very honest of you, George. You are a good citizen.
I try to be. I walked into the station. I said, I found this wallet. I want to turn it in.
Turn it in. That is a wonderful phrasal verb. It means to give something to the authority.
Yes, turn it in. The officer was happy. He said, thank you. We will call the owner.
That is nice. Imagine the person who lost it. They were probably very sad.
And then ring ring, we have your wallet.
Yes, a happy ending.
We like happy endings.
I think we have some great vocabulary today.
I think so too. We have stolen, noise complaint, accident, license, description, and turn it in.
And the most important word, help.
Yes, never be afraid to say help.
And remember, if you need to call the police in a different country, look up the number before you have a problem.
That is such a smart tip. When you arrive at the hotel, ask the receptionist, what is the emergency number?
Write it on your phone or on a paper in your pocket.
Anna, I feel much safer now.
Me too. We know what to do.
And I hope our listeners feel safer too.
Yes. English is not just for ordering coffee or making friends. It's for staying safe.
Absolutely. Well, Anna, our time is almost finished.
Time goes so fast when we're having fun, even with a serious topic.
It does. It was a great conversation. Before we go, we have a question for you, the listeners.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Please leave a comment below. Have you ever talked to the police in English?
Or tell us the emergency number in your country. Is it 911, 999?
We are very curious to know.
And please, if you found this episode helpful, subscribe to the Fluent Growth channel.
And share this video with your family. It might help them one day.
Thank you so much for listening today. Stay safe, everyone.
Yes, stay safe and keep practicing your English. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.